I have been very fortunate and so much loved that I was part of the IGF in London earlier this year. And then I got to be part of a conversation that involved young leaders and how we would influence them as the next generation. And then I got invited to this IGF in Dubai, and I'm very happy and proud to be part of this IGF family. And as part of this, when conversations happen at a crossroad of technology, of culture, of the past and the future, these are the very important conversations that we should have as we stand in the cusp of a generation that's going to disrupt what the future is going to look like with Gen AI, with ChatGPT in the picture. It's very important to have 360-degree conversations with representations from people across gender, across different age groups, across different business verticals. And when all of this amalgamates into this very seamless experience at IGF, it's one of a kind. So I'm very privileged to be part of this conversation. I'd be very specific why IGF gets so much love. You know, whenever we talk about technology, there's two important points that keep coming to my mind because I come from a non-tech background and I eventually waded my way into technology. So I have a slightly different perspective than people born in tech, third generation entrepreneurs and all of that. I realize that most of the time when we talk about disruption, innovation and impacting the future generation, we think about ourselves, our family and our friends and whoever in that circle we will impact. And we think about ourselves as employees or as founders, either being part of somebody's big vision or we are the vision ourselves, employing other people to join our journey. There is a very important aspect as a citizen. We keep forgetting our role, our patriotism, and how this should come into the picture when we talk about disruption. In IGF, our travel to Bab's Mandir, the whole conversation with Mr. Manoj Ladwa and Swamiji that brought the cultural aspect back, that brought the patriotism angle to it, it kind of sealed the deal for me in a very amazing way. I think it's very important for the next generation to remain rooted in our culture, to understand how Indian citizens have gone global and how we stand tall, proud on the amazing achievements of these global citizens now. I really felt this saying that goes like Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, like wherever you go in the world, you make your family. I could really feel this in this event. In a technology event where we talk about futuristic conversations, having this is the most important aspect for me. I would say wholesome. It's 360-degree wholesome.